Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Capitec Scan to Pay. You can do this straight from the Capitec app. You can download the Capitec app from your Play Store or the App Store. Let's go into Transact once you've signed in right at the bottom here, and you'll have a few options. And we're going to scroll all the way down and look for Scan to Pay. This page is what you'll see next, and you have a few settings. You can choose what account you will be using when scanning and making a payment. Now, this will be applicable if you have multiple accounts. What you want to do is click on Scan, and once you click on Scan, you'll be able to scan a QR code. Now, if there is a purchase code or a actual physical code, you can also click on enter purchase code, and here you'll be able to add that code in here and push continue, and in this way you'll be able to make a payment. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.